One consideration when buying knitting needles is the type of tip at the end of the needle. You can get very sharp pointed tips, sometimes called lace tip needles, and then typical needles have shallower, wider, rounder tips. There are benefits and drawbacks to both kinds. They have different applications, but I have found from my experience teaching beginning knitters that they have an easier time manipulating and learning how to make the stitches with the sharper points. The downside is that you can also split yarn easily. We use worsted weight yarn, which is a ply of several small strands, so that pointed tip can pierce those strands easier than a wide tip. But for the most part, it's also easier to find the correct position between the yarn and the needle with a pointed tip. So if you're buying needles for the first time and you don't know what to get, I'd err on the side of the pointier needles, but again, until you knit a while and see what your own personal preferences are, it could be different for different people.